Hello, welcome to Fine Review. We have another amazing video for you today because I understand how great our economy is becoming with no jobs and high cost of living. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start printing money from the comfort of your home. So you want to make sure you watch this video to the end because somewhere around this video, I'll be showing you how to learn it for free. Despite all our efforts, everything seems not effective, and how long are we going to continue suffering in this situation? Of course, stealing is never an option, but what if I tell you there are better ways to go about using technologies? That is why I'm here to inform you that the world is advancing faster than our economy, and there are literally little or few people who are benefiting massively in this industry. Just if only you can taste a peep from this stream of wealth, you understand exactly what I am talking about. With technology, there are unlimited ways to earn millions of naira every single month. And what would that do for you in this time? Of course, you'll be able to pay your bills and live a standard life. This business model I'm talking about has nothing to do with physical office, no need for customers or begging people to buy from you. The amazing side of it is that you only need your smartphone or laptop with an internet connection to get started. Now, you don't need to be afraid because everything here is completely free, including your training and mentorship. The only thing I want you to do for me is to like and subscribe to this channel so that you get informed the next time I'll be uploading informative video like this again. Now, let me make a quick disclaimer here. This business model is not a quick rich scheme. It requires some levels of professionalism. So continue watching this video if you are ready to learn, if you want to change your financial status, if you want to make tech part of your career, and if you want to live in our current time, which is the technology stage. I want to introduce to you what they call forex trading. I know plenty of us get scared when we hear the word forex, but rather prefer to play sport betting, which has no guarantee. Let me tell you, with forex trading, you can analyze the market and determine whether to buy or sell and hang your profit in dollars. Hold, let me explain further. Have you seen outside people buying and exchanging dollar to naira around local banks before? They are called bureau de change. You too can take advantage of this all the way from the comfort of your home. Forex trading is simply the same as buying and selling foreign currency pairs. You buy a currency when the market value is going to increase, and you sell a currency when the value is going to drop. So if your predictions are right, then you earn a profit. The good part of this is that these things can be learned and understood. Forex traders base their predictions on fundamental and technical market analysis with the help of economic report and price chart to determine market movement. So let me ask AI, is it possible to learn and understand market analysis? Then if yes, there's nothing stopping you from starting this business model. This is a technology time, so you have to add something to your portfolio. Forex trading is considered a great way of earning massively if you are a skilled trader. You can end up generating huge amount of money every day by day without leaving the comfort of your home. But at the same time, it is also risky. The question here is that, is there any profitable business without risk? Of course no. To become a successful trader, you need to have a good knowledge about the market and currency pairs. Traders use various tools and strategies to support their trading decision. So the opportunity you have here is that you can learn everything completely for free. So I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. That link will walk you through the step-by-step guide on how to apply and start learning completely for free. So whether you are an experienced trader looking to explore new opportunities or a beginner eager to begin your trading journey, this ultimate guide has got you covered. We will provide all the necessary information you need to make an informed decision and unlock the full potential of your trading experience. So I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it out. It's going to walk you through step-by-step guide on how to apply and start learning forex trading completely for free. So you can learn anytime at all. Anytime you have a chance, you can learn. Everything in this video is completely free, which is a great way for you to start your trading journey. So if you like the content in this video, I want you to go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you get updated the next time we will upload an informative video like this again. And also, if you have a question, go ahead and drop it in the comment section and I will be happy to attend to you. Once again, the link to this free training is in the description of this video. Go ahead and use it. It will walk you through step-by-step process on how to apply and start learning forex trading for free. See you at the top.